When you are inviting your staff to access MYOB, what you need to do first is check whether you have an administrator account or whether you can add anyone in MYOB. Once you know that you can add someone, you can go to Setup in the toolbar at the top, click Setup, and then click User Access. When User Access opens, it usually shows you this page. In here, you can see Manage Users and Manage Roles. We will go through this in detail later. But when you're inviting someone, you need to identify whether you're inviting a new user or a new advisor. If you're inviting a new user, you can click New User in here, and then a window will pop up. You can put the user's name. You need to put the name of the user because this will be useful later when we're doing the audit logs. Then you need to put their email address here, for example, lab@gmail.com. After that, be sure to understand what happens when you click this box and what inviting users to be an online administrator means. If you tick this box, then that user will have access as an online administrator. If you want the staff member to have just standard access to use MYOB for daily functions, then you don't have to tick this box. But if you want the staff member or the person you're inviting to be able to change settings online, then you can tick this one. The roles will be discussed very thoroughly later in the course, but you need to select at least one access role. Just as an example, if we're trying to invite an accountant or a bookkeeper, you tick the appropriate role here and then click Save and Invite User. Once that's done, the invitation should be sent to the email address, and the person you invited should receive an email showing the invite. After that, you can close this function, and then we'll go through what the user will see in their email and how they can access MYOB.